Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished scholars, respected colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is great honor and privilege for me to stand before this estimate gathering at this international conference. I am deeply grateful for the opportunity to share my humble contribution to our collective discourse on one of the most pressing issues of our time. It is the intersection of technology, ethics, and Islamic law. This paper I present today is entitled Ethical and Legal Implication of Artificial Intelligence in Finance, Sharia Perspective. These studies seek to explore how artificial intelligence, which has become a transformative force in the global financial sector, can be critically examined through the lens of Sharia principle. Our discussion will not only highlight the potential benefits of artificial intelligence in advising efficiency and inclusivity, but also address to profound ethical and legal challenge it process, especially with regard to justice, transparency, and the protection of human dignity. And next, I invite you to reflect with me on how Islamic jurisprudence arose in the timeless objective of Maqasid Ash-Shari'ah, can provide a framework that balance innovation with ethical responsibility. And next, I want to explain systematic of this article. Number one, I want to explain to you about introduction of this article. In this article, I have introduction, maybe the rapid development of artificial intelligence has transformed for the financial industry worldwide. We are now familiar with robo-advisor, algorithmics, trading, credit scoring, and even fraud detection system powered by artificial intelligence. While this innovation promise effectivity, efficiency, accuracy, and inclusion, they also raise important ethical and legal challenges. From Syariah perspective, this challenge become even more significant because we must ensure that new technology serve justice, protect right, and align with the higher objective of Islamic law. That is introduction of my article in this time. And then I want to ask number two about the research of this, the focus of this research. This paper maybe seek to answer three central questions. Number one, what are ethical implications of artificial intelligence finance from a Sharia perspective? It is the first question. And the second vision, what are the legal implications when we review artificial intelligence through the principle of fiqh and maqasid al-shari'ah? Maqasid Syariah is a method of instrument of ijtihad in Islamic jurisprudence. And number three, the question of number three of this paper is what strategies can be developed to strengthen the Sharia regulatory framework for AI-based financial system. And then to answer this question, maybe I want to explain about the method of this article. To address the question, I employed a normative qualitative approach, mainly log literature analysis. I examine about primary source, for example, the Quran, Hadith, and classical fiqh, and the literature of Maqasid Ash-Shari'ah, yeah. And secondary source such as academic journals, global regulatory reports, and ethical AI guidelines. And then the analysis was conducted using the Maqasid Ash-Shari'ah framework, focusing on justice, transparency, and the presentation of wealth and welfare. It is a method of this article. And then, what the finding of this article? Maybe I have four, yeah, maybe about four major point finding of this article. The first, from ethical aspect. Yeah. From ethical aspect, AI undoubtedly bring benefit, particularly in promoting efficiency inclusion, with align with the principle of tahqiq al-maslahah. Tahqiq al-maslahah, maybe in English, the realization of welfare. Yeah. And however, there are risks, algorithmics, bias, black box decision making, and privacy violation could undermine the principle of al-adl, justice, and amanah, yeah, trust. This is the first finding of this article. And the second, the Sharia legal aspect. Yeah. AI-driven financial transaction must remain free from, yeah, free from gharar. Gharar maybe excessive uncertainty, yeah, and maisir speculation, and then riba, usury. Moreover, the lack of transparency in automated contract might contradicts the recruitment of contractual clarify in Islamic commercial law. Number three, yeah, the finding of this article is the regulatory framework. There is a pressing need to Sharia-based ethical standard in artificial intelligence. They should emphasize accountability, fairness, and data protection. The application of artificial intelligence must serve the objective of Maqasid Ash-Shari'ah, particularly the protection of wealth, in Arabic maybe hifzul mal. Yeah. One concept in Maqasid Ash-Shari'ah we know it is hifzul mal. Hifzul mal, protection of wealth. Yeah. And then distributive justice. The last finding, number 4 of this article, I explained practical contribution. AI, yeah, can significantly strengthen zakah, wakaf, and microfinance management. Yet this requires adaptive Sharia regulation that can anticipate emerging ethical and legal challenge. The ladies and gentlemen, and then I want to explain about the conclusion of this article. Allow me to highlight 3 key conclusions. Number 1, AI can be strong instrument of maslahah, promoting welfare. Yet it carries ethical risk of not properly regulated. Number 2, from a Sharia perspective, the legal use of artificial intelligence must avoid gharar, maisir, and riba, while ensuring accountability and contractual clarify. And then the last conclusion of this article, number 3, there is an urgent need for Sharia-based regulatory framework guidance by Maqasid Al-Shari'ah. This requires collaboration between regulator, technologies, and Islamic scholars, and to ensure that AI become tool of justice and tool trust and welfare. Ladies and gentlemen, the close statement of this article, yeah, the rise AI in finance is not merely a technological issues. It is an ethical and legal one. By integrating Sharia principle with modern regulatory framework, we can ensure that artificial intelligence serve humanity, promote justice, and strengthens the value of Islamic finance. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.